Hey guys, did you know that our brains have a tiny secret fear button? The moment we see certain animals, this button gets pressed automatically and we start shivering with fear. Today, we are going to talk about the world's 10 most dangerous animals that trigger instant fear in the human brain. We will find out where they live, what they look like, and how they hunt, all in super simple words. Let's jump right in. 1. Mosquito, the tiny monster. What it looks like and eats. We see this one almost every day. It has 2 tiny wings, 6 thin legs, and a needle-like straw on its face called a proboscis. While male mosquitoes only drink sweet plant juices, female mosquitoes need human blood to lay their eggs. Where it is found. They are found in almost every corner of the world, especially in warm and humid places with standing water like India, Africa, and South America. What the danger is. They might look tiny, but they are the biggest killers on Earth. Their bites spread deadly diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika virus, taking lakhs of human lives every single year. Helpful tip. Never let water collect near your house, and always use a mosquito net at night. 2. Box jellyfish, the ghost of the ocean. What it looks like. This creature floats in the water and looks completely transparent, just like clear glass. This makes it almost invisible. Its top looks like a cube or a box, and long, thread-like tentacles hang underneath, which can grow up to 10 feet long. Where it is found. It is mostly found in the coastal waters of Australia and across the Indo-Pacific Ocean, the seas around Asia. What the danger is. Those long hanging threads are packed with tiny, invisible, poisonous darts. If it touches a human, it causes such unbearable, blinding pain that a person's heart can stop beating within just 2 minutes. Helpful tip. Always check the red and yellow warning signs on Australian beaches before entering the water and wear a protective stinger suit. 3. Inland taipan, the venom king. What it looks like. Also known as the fierce snake, it has dark brown or olive green scales and large, dark eyes. Fascinatingly, it changes color with the seasons, turning darker in winter to absorb heat and lighter in summer. It loves eating mice and rats. Where it is found. It lives deep inside the cracked clay soils of the semi-arid, dry deserts of Australia. What the danger is. This is the most venomous snake in the world. A single bite contains enough poison to kill 100 grown-up humans at once. Its venom can shut down a person's body completely within 45 minutes. Helpful tip. Luckily, this snake is very shy and hides from humans. If you are exploring the Australian outback, stay away from deep rock cracks and heavy bushes. 4. Saltwater crocodile, the living dinosaur. What it looks like. This is the largest living reptile on Earth, growing up to a massive 20 feet in length. It has a heavy, armored body covered in tough, dark green or grey scales, and a giant mouth packed with 66 sharp, terrifying teeth. It eats fish, deer, and anything that wanders near the water. Where it is found. They live in the coastal swamps and rivers of eastern India, like Bhitarkanika National Park, Southeast Asia, and northern Australia. What the danger is. They have the strongest bite force of any animal alive. Once they catch their prey, they pull it underwater and perform a violent spinning move called the death roll, making escape absolutely impossible. Helpful tip. Never go near the edge of the water in areas marked with croc danger signs. 5. African elephant, the raging giant. What it looks like. This is the largest land animal on Earth. It has giant ears shaped like fans and 2 massive white ivory tusks curving out of its mouth. Even though they look scary, They are herbivores and only eat grass, leaves, and tree bark. Where it is found. They live in the dense forests and wide grasslands, savannas of Africa, especially in countries like Kenya and South Africa. What the danger is. Elephants are usually gentle, but if they get angry or feel their babies are in danger, they become unstoppable. Weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, they can easily crush safari cars or houses. Stepping in their way means instant doom. Helpful tip. During a safari, always keep a very safe distance from them, turn off your car engine, and never use loud noises or camera flashes. 6. Cape Buffalo, the Black Death. What it looks like. At first glance, it looks just like a large black farm buffalo, but it is incredibly fierce. It has a heavy, dark body and a massive shield of bone across its forehead that connects its thick, curved horns. It only eats grass. Where it is found. They live in massive herds near waterholes in sub-Saharan Africa. What the danger is. In Africa, it is nicknamed the Black Death because it is completely fearless and will even fight off lions. If a buffalo is wounded, it won't run away. Instead, it will circle back, hide in the bushes, and ambush the hunter, goring them with its horns. Helpful tip. Never break the path of a moving buffalo herd. Stay completely inside your safari vehicle. 7. Pufferfish, the deadly balloon. What it looks like. Normally, this is a clumsy, cute little fish, but when it gets scared, it quickly gulps down water to puff up into a big, round balloon covered in sharp, defensive spikes. It eats crabs and small sea insects. Where it is found. It lives around the warm coral reefs of tropical seas worldwide, especially around Japan, China, and the Pacific Ocean. What the danger is. Its skin and organs contain a poison called tetrodotoxin, which is 1,200 times more dangerous than cyanide. One single little fish carries enough poison to kill 30 people, and there is no cure. In Japan, highly trained chefs cook it carefully, but a tiny mistake can be fatal. Helpful tip. Never touch or grab colorful or unusual-looking fish while swimming or diving in the ocean. 8. Hippo, the grumpy water king. What it looks like. A hippo is a giant, round, hairless animal with thick grey skin that spends all day chilling inside muddy river waters. It can open its mouth incredibly wide, revealing long, sharp, tusk-like teeth. It eats grass but looks like a total river monster. Where it is found. They are found living in the rivers and lakes of Africa. What the danger is. Many people think they are lazy and slow, but they are actually very fast runners, up to 30 kilometers per hour, and extremely hot-tempered. If a boat enters their territory, they will attack it, capsize it, and bite using their powerful jaws. Helpful tip. Keep your boats far away from wild hippos, and never stand between a hippo and its river when it is out on land. 9. Golden poison frog, the toxic beauty. What it looks like. This is a tiny, adorable frog that measures only 2 inches. It has a beautiful, bright, neon yellow or golden skin that looks stunning against green leaves. It eats small forest ants and insects. Where it is found. It lives deep inside the damp, humid rainforests of Colombia in South America. What the danger is. Its beautiful color is actually nature's warning sign saying, "Do not touch me." Its skin leaks a deadly toxin. Just touching this tiny frog once can kill 10 to 20 humans within minutes. In ancient times, tribal hunters used to rub their dart tips on the frog's back to make them deadly. Helpful tip. When trekking in a rainforest, never touch brightly colored insects or frogs. The brighter they are, the more toxic they usually are. 10. Great white shark, the ocean hunter. What it looks like. This is the ultimate predator of the sea. It has a stark white belly, a slate-grey back, and a huge mouth filled with up to 300 sharp, jagged, triangular teeth arranged in multiple rows. It eats seals, sea lions, and large fish. Where it is found. They love cool coastal waters and are mostly found near USA, California, South Africa, and Australia. What the danger is. They have an unbelievable sense of smell and can detect a tiny drop of blood in the water from miles away. While they do not actively hunt humans, they sometimes attack by mistake, confusing a surfer on a surfboard for a seal. One powerful test bite can cause fatal injuries. Helpful tip. Avoid swimming alone, swimming in deep waters, or entering the ocean during sunset and dawn, as that is peak hunting time for sharks. So guys, these were the 10 wildest animals that trigger instant fear in our brains. But remember, these animals aren't evil. They are just living their lives and protecting themselves in the wild. If we respect their homes and don't disturb them, we can all live safely on this beautiful planet. Which of these animals scares you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope आपको मेरी आज की ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो और आपको इससे कुछ ना कुछ सीखने का मौका जरूर मिला हो। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। Until then, bye bye.